Untuk berhasil menang dalam permainan Aquatico, kita harus bekerja sama agar ekosistem tetap sehat.
I like Aquatico because we can understand if we need to recover the ecosystem in it, it takes a long time.
Aquatico because the game teaches us that we need to collectively protect multiple ecosystems for the greater good of the
game. There's really some hints of reality in this game.
I really like Aquatico because it teaches us that we need to not only protect some environments, but also a combination of a lot of environments.
It teaches us to care about the forests, mangroves, coral reefs, and seagrass beds, as in nature all is connected. When we work together, we can make our planet a healthy place again for people and animals.